AI art revolution, who's creating and profiting? Hi there, welcome to my channel, and if you are here for the first time, welcome to you as well. Please hit the like button and subscribe. What if I told you machines could create art? Let's dive into AI and AI art. In a world where algorithms and creativity intersect, producing stunning visuals and innovative designs. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of AI art. First, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI refers to machines designed to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, and problem-solving, making AI an essential part of modern technology. Understanding the different types of AI. Narrow versus general. Narrow AI specializes in specific tasks like facial recognition or language translation. General AI, though still theoretical, aims to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. A brief history of AI and its development reveals fascinating milestones. From the early days of Turing's theoretical machines to today's advanced neural networks, AI has evolved dramatically. Each breakthrough has brought us closer to integrating AI into everyday life. The basics of how AI works, algorithms, and data. At its core, AI uses complex algorithms to process vast amounts of data. These algorithms learn from the data, identifying patterns and making decisions or predictions based on what they've learned, mimicking human cognitive functions. AI seamlessly integrates into our daily routines, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms. It's behind the scenes in navigation apps, online shopping experiences, and even in personalized social media feeds, enhancing convenience. AI art represents a fascinating fusion of technology and creativity. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI generates unique artworks. These creations range from abstract digital paintings to realistic portraits, often blurring the lines between human and machine-generated art. AI art techniques include generative adversarial networks and neural networks. GANs involve two neural networks competing to produce more accurate results, while neural networks mimic the human brain's functioning, learning from data to create intricate and varied artistic styles. Popular tools for AI art creation include DeepArt, Runway ML, and Artbreeder. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces, allowing even those without technical expertise to experiment with AI-generated visuals, democratizing the process of creating digital art. Pioneering AI artists like Mario Klingman and Refik Anadol push boundaries by blending technology and creativity. Their innovative works challenge traditional concepts of art, exploring new dimensions and possibilities that were previously unimaginable in the art world. Human artists collaborate with AI by integrating algorithms into their creative processes, enhancing their work with new dimensions and perspectives. This synergy allows artists to explore uncharted territories, pushing the boundaries of traditional art forms and fostering innovative expressions. The benefits of AI-generated art include increased accessibility and democratization of art creation. AI tools empower individuals without formal training to produce sophisticated artworks, bridging gaps and fostering inclusivity in the art world, which was previously dominated by trained professionals. Challenges in AI art arise from technical limitations and the need for vast datasets. Additionally, the creative process can be unpredictable, leading to results that may not always meet artistic expectations or standards, posing hurdles for both artists and developers. The AI art market is rapidly growing, attracting collectors and enthusiasts intrigued by its novelty and potential. This burgeoning market has led to increased investment in AI art projects, driving further innovation and experimentation in the field. AI art exhibitions and galleries are emerging worldwide, showcasing the intersection of technology and creativity. These spaces offer audiences an opportunity to engage with AI-generated works, facilitating discussions about the evolving nature of art in the digital age. AI art has sparked diverse reactions from the public, with some embracing its innovation while others remain skeptical. Enthusiasts admire its creativity and boundary-pushing potential, yet critics argue it lacks the emotional depth and authenticity of human-created art. Criticism of AI art often centers on originality and authorship. Many question whether creations generated by algorithms can truly be considered art. Others worry about the potential devaluation of human artistic skills and the loss of traditional craftsmanship. Legal and ethical issues in AI art are complex. Questions about copyright, ownership, and the ethical use of data arise frequently. Navigating these waters requires careful consideration to ensure both human and machine contributions are fairly recognized and protected. Predicting future trends in AI art involves imagining even more advanced algorithms and deeper collaborations between humans and machines. Innovations may lead to new art forms and mediums, transforming how we conceive and interact with artistic expression. AI art's role in education is expanding, offering new tools for teaching creativity and technical skills. By integrating AI into the curriculum, students can explore innovative ways to express themselves while learning about the intersection of technology and art. Creating AI art has never been more accessible. With user-friendly platforms and tutorials, anyone can delve into this innovative field. Start by exploring free tools online, experimenting with different algorithms, and watching your first masterpiece come to life. AI art is a captivating blend of technology and creativity, making it a valuable asset in education. Schools and universities are incorporating AI art into their curricula, encouraging students to explore new artistic and technological horizons. The future of AI art looks promising, with advancements in technology continually expanding its possibilities. As AI systems become more sophisticated, we can expect even more stunning and complex creations, pushing the boundaries of what art can be. AI art is gaining recognition in prestigious galleries and exhibitions worldwide. Art enthusiasts and collectors are increasingly appreciating the unique and innovative pieces produced by AI, highlighting the growing acceptance and significance of this burgeoning art form. Despite its technological origins, AI art is ultimately about human creativity. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest trends, tools, and stories in the AI art world, empowering you to explore and create in this fascinating domain. AI art is making waves in educational spaces, offering students new ways to explore creativity and technology. By integrating AI tools into curriculums, educators can inspire innovation and interdisciplinary learning, bridging the gap between art and science. Creating AI art has never been easier. With accessible tools and tutorials, anyone can experiment with AI-generated artworks. From simple apps to more advanced software, these resources provide a starting point for budding AI artists to unleash their creativity. AI art's growing popularity is evident in its increasing presence in galleries worldwide. Exhibitions featuring AI-generated pieces highlight the fusion of technology and creativity, attracting a diverse audience and sparking conversations about the future of art. The public's perception of AI art varies widely. While some celebrate its innovation and potential, others remain skeptical about its artistic value. This mix of opinions fuels ongoing debates and encourages deeper exploration of what defines art in the digital age. Critics of AI art argue that it lacks genuine creativity and emotional depth. They question whether machines can truly replicate the human experience. These criticisms challenge AI artists to push boundaries and redefine the relationship between technology and artistic expression. AI art offers numerous benefits, including the ability to generate unique and innovative designs that may be difficult for humans to conceive. It opens up new creative possibilities, pushing the boundaries of traditional art forms and fostering artistic experimentation. Despite its advantages, AI art faces challenges such as the need for vast amounts of data and computational power. Additionally, questions about originality and authorship arise, as it can be difficult to attribute the work solely to human or machine. The AI art market is experiencing significant growth, with collectors and enthusiasts showing increasing interest. Art auctions and online platforms are becoming hotbeds for AI-generated pieces, reflecting the rising demand and appreciation for this new form of creativity. AI art is making its way into galleries and exhibitions, gaining recognition alongside traditional artworks. These venues provide a platform for showcasing the technological marvels of AI, allowing the public to engage with and appreciate the fusion of art and technology. Public perception of AI art is mixed, with some praising its ingenuity and others questioning its validity as true art. While it intrigues many, it also prompts debates about the role of human creativity in an increasingly automated world. Legal and ethical considerations in AI art are increasingly significant. As AI-generated works proliferate, questions arise about authorship, copyright, and originality. Ensuring fair use and addressing biases within algorithms are essential to maintaining integrity and encouraging responsible creation. Predicting the future trends of AI art involves exploring new technological advancements and their potential impact. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we may see even more innovative and interactive art forms. The fusion of AI with traditional techniques could redefine artistic boundaries. AI art's role in education and learning is transformative. It offers new ways to teach creativity and technical skills. By integrating AI tools into curriculums, educators can inspire students to experiment, innovate, and understand the intersection of technology and art. Creating AI art yourself is more accessible than ever. With various user-friendly tools and platforms available, anyone can start experimenting. Tutorials and online courses provide step-by-step guidance, empowering aspiring artists to explore this fascinating and evolving field. Intrigued by AI art? Subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Stay updated on the latest trends, tools, and techniques. Join a community of enthusiasts and professionals to deepen your understanding and appreciation of this exciting art form. AI art is revolutionizing education, offering new ways to inspire creativity and innovation. Students can explore AI tools to create unique artworks, fostering a deeper understanding of technology. This integration enhances learning experiences, making education more engaging and interactive. Creating AI art yourself is easier than ever. With accessible tools and software, anyone can experiment with AI-generated art. Start by exploring online tutorials and resources to understand the basics, and soon you'll be creating your own AI masterpieces. The future of AI art is bright and full of possibilities. As technology advances, AI-generated art will become more sophisticated and integrated into various fields. Expect to see more collaborations between human artists and AI, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Intrigued by AI art? Dive deeper into this fascinating world by subscribing for more insights. Stay updated on the latest trends, tools, and techniques in AI art. Join a community of enthusiasts and start your journey into AI creativity today.